is Lady Juliet Herrera Moreno. I am a business administration student. Today I am going to tell you about in the New Year's in my city, which correspond to task 4 of the English course 4. For me, the New Year's is very special because at the beginning, the whole family gets together. We have a barbecue. We remember anecdotes. We tell about our purpose for the years ahead. 2. I make a letter with my purpose. I buy clothes. The family events. We remember the people in the family who are no longer here. We send good wishes. Finally, we had the 12th grade 3 minutes before the end of the year. 2. On December 25, we open the gift. And Christmas time I love began with my son playing board games, and we go to the park. And I like all the food. We had stuffed turkey, fritters, custard. We drank wine and chicha. In my favorite moments on 2023 was when my son graduated for elementary school. 2023, I learned to value my family more, to say how much, and to live in the present moment. My favorite Christmas movie is Home Alone. And if I had the opportunity, I would change jobs to be able to spend more time with my family.